Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Stuart Victor Echo 9 Charlie Foxtrot, and let me apologize for not making very many videos in the month of January. I'm busy with the Worldwide Award. We've been killing it the last few days. It's January the 3rd today. Winter has hit us with a vengeance the last couple weeks. We've had 3 major weather warnings: a severe wind warning, an ice storm, and then a snowstorm the other night. So I've been busy maintaining the property and doing Worldwide Award, and I haven't had time to do videos. Anyway, yesterday when I was calling CQ for the Worldwide Award, something weird happened. Well, I don't know if it's weird. Weird to me, it's never happened before. Somebody just kept yelling contact. So I was calling CQ 20 meters, and this person kept on saying contact, contact. I thought they had an emergency. So I said, the person yelling contact, what's your emergency? I found out afterwards, that's just a polite way to break into a conversation. Instead of yelling break, just say contact. That's not really relevant in this situation. I can see somebody saying contact in a net or a rag chew, but somebody's somebody's calling CQ. It's not customary to say contact. Anyway, so when somebody's calling CQ, just come back with your call sign. Simple enough. Just say your call sign. You don't have to say Victor Echo 9 Whiskey Alpha. This is Bob in New Jersey. You just got to say, hey, this is Bob in New Jersey. Poor Bob. Anyway, I got scolded by some other guy afterwards for being rude. I just said, contact, go ahead, what's your emergency? Because I thought it was an emergency call. And then I said something like, oh, obviously there's no emergency because they weren't coming back to me. Anyway, when somebody's calling CQ, don't use contact. And contact's only reserved for, breaking into a rag chew or a net. That's the best time to use the word contact. Unless you know otherwise, please leave me a comment and let me know what you think. I'm Stuart Victor Echo 9 Charlie Foxtrot from the Winter Wonderland in New Brunswick, Canada. See you later.